Alright chemists, so today we're going to look at the separation technique of evaporation or crystallization. So by the end of it, we want to be able to understand the technique of it, but also what are the physical properties that this separation of mixtures is done with. So here is your vocab. Just pause the video, write this down, and we'll use this to refer back to as we continue on with the lesson. So we're going to use crystallization to separate a solute from its solvent. So in other words, in this point we have a homogeneous solution, and these are either heated directly, so we put a flame under it, or a water bath, or maybe a hot plate, and we heat it directly, or we'll leave it to evaporate slowly in the ambient temperature. And the more volatile of the component, which will usually be the solvent, the more volatile component will evaporate off. It will be the part that leaves first or boils off. Now, this can be highly energetic and super rapid. And when we do this, the solvent is not retained. So that's a limitation with it. In actual fact, as we evaporate off with a high energy, with a flame, what we'll find is that we'll not only lose all of the solvent, but we'll actually lose some of the solute if we're not careful. It will sort of, as it boils and bubbles away, some of that will be sort of kicked out of the evaporating basin. Whereas if we do it at a much cooler temperature, it takes a lot longer, we still lose all of the solvent, but we'll retain more of the solute. Our yield of the solute will be higher. I hope that made sense. If you have any questions, put them in the comments below and we'll get back to you as quick as we can. Thanks for watching. Hit subscribe so we can keep up with everything we've got going on in the future. And yeah, we'll see you next time. Bye now.